Content libraries refer to the different libraries from which content can be accessed on the Maths Hero platform. 4 libraries are available in total, consisting of My Library, containing lessons and pathways you have either created or copied from other libraries, School Library, containing lessons that you or other teachers have shared with your school, Maths Hero Library, which contains a comprehensive series of pathways and lessons aligned with the Australian curriculum and offered by us, and finally, Assessments Library, containing a series of assessments designed to assess and reinforce content provided in the wider Maths Hero Library. Each library works much in the same way. In this example, we'll present a lesson from the Maths Hero Library. Click Maths Hero Library from the left menu. In the Lessons pane, select an appropriate lesson. You will be shown a summary of the lesson and given an opportunity to download any attachments. Attachments are typically in-class materials used to support the class. To present the class, click Present. The Shaping Minds presenter will be launched, allowing you to present your lesson. Lessons are also offered as components of structured learning pathways. To view the contents of a pathway, select an appropriate content library. In this example, we will select the Maths Hero Library. Select the Pathways tab to view the available pathways. To immediately present the first lesson in the pathway, click Present at the bottom of the pathway. The Shaping Minds presenter will be launched, allowing you to present the first lesson of the pathway. View our follow-up video, Pathways, for a detailed overview of creating, sharing, and working with pathways. To learn more, visit mathshero.com.au.